Hi guys, thank you for staying on my channel. Now what I want to be doing is, on a daily basis, I want to be dropping codes for you guys where you can claim more free boxes on the already free boxes you have claimed on your Binance Live, if you understand what I mean. Now, for new users, if you're a new person on the Binance app, you can actually claim this free box. Binance gives you free box to claim. I'll be showing you how you can do so. So now the first thing you want to do is, once you come to your Binance Live as a new person, as a new user who haven't claimed anyone before, once you come to your Binance Live app, all you need to do is, on the top right corner of your app, click on the last icon there. Once you click on last icon there, it brings you to this Binance Pay page. Once it brings you here, you see different options: send, receive, scan. That's not the one you are going for. You are going for the one below it, where it says send cash, CryptoBox, mobile top up, $1 game, right? Now that's not the one you are going for either. Now the one you are going for is where it says latest offer, where you are seeing this banner. So you click on the banner. Once you click on the banner, I've claimed mine already, so you may not necessarily see the effect of what I'm about to show you right now. So, but I'll just explain. Now, once it brings you right to this page, I've claimed mine. That's why you can see where it says surprise code. That's why you can see Binance Pay. If I hadn't claimed mine, that's where you are seeing Binance Pay is going to be empty. All I just need to do is click on copy. So for you new users, just click on copy. Once you click on copy, go back. Now where you see CryptoBox, just above the latest offer, where you see CryptoBox, click on the CryptoBox. It brings you right here. Paste that thing you just copied and then click on claim, and you get free 0.00430,361 BUSD. That is for free, and that's for a first time user. So like I said, I'm going to be dropping new codes for us. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so that you'll be the first person to get this code, because it's actually fastest fingers. If you don't claim the code quickly, somebody else would have used that code to get that reward. And you have a target, you have a aim, you want to be able to get as much reward as possible, so that you can convert those rewards and then you get the cash. You know what I mean. So you need to be fast on claiming those rewards. So now I'm going to be dropping the link to my Telegram group. I don't know whether it's a group or a channel, but you're going to be seeing a link to my Telegram page. Just click on that link. It takes you to my Telegram page, where you'll be getting those codes quickly. Or better still, yes, you're going to be getting the code quickly, and then you can use it quickly. Also, I'm going to be dropping the codes on my YouTube channel, so you might also need to want to subscribe to it, and tell your friends about it, those who don't already know. And even if you are already an existing user of Binance and all of that, you still need this code to be able to claim these rewards. So now, if you want to claim the reward, I'm going to show you how you can claim the reward. I've already shown you how you can claim the reward as a first timer. Now that you've claimed the reward, you're no longer a first timer, and also existing users can also come and claim the reward like this. So now this is a new code I'm going to. So now I'm just going to click on the CryptoBox again. All right. So I'm going to be using a new code, just so you know. This is a new code, and these are the codes you'll be getting on my Telegram channel as well as my YouTube channel. So you might need to want to enter my YouTube channel. So you click on, that's the code. So you can see it says gift boss has been fully claimed. That's why I said fastest finger. Fastest finger. If you're not fast enough, you're not going to get that reward. Now I'm going to use another one. So I'm going to be dropping as much codes as possible, so that you guys can use it and claim free rewards on your boxes. So this is another code I've used. You can see this one has not been claimed. So all I just need to do is click on open. Once I click on open, I have claimed this already. It's a burger reward. So I've claimed this. You can see. So that's what I'm talking about. You need to be fast enough to be able to claim these rewards, because if you don't do so, somebody else is going to claim it before you. So this is another one. I'm going to show you another one. This is another one I'm doing right now. So this is how you claim these rewards. I'm already showing us how we can claim these rewards, and I'm going to be dropping more code. Like this is another one. So nobody has claimed this, so I can just click on open, and then get this. This is USDT. You see, so this USDT I've claimed now, this one I have claimed now, together with the ones I've already been getting, they're going to add up together, and then it increases my USDT. I don't know if you get what I mean. So if you know you want to get free cash, so now all this reward I'm claiming, you can find them once you click. You can find them on your funding wallet. And how do you find your funding wallet? You go to wallet. Just below your Binance app, you see wallet. Click on wallet, and then you see funding. Refresh the page. Scroll down a little bit to refresh the page, and then you see your rewards right here. This is where you see all those BUSD, all your rewards. You can see these are the ones I've been claiming before. You can see these are the ones I've been claiming so much, so many. And because I have a target, and once I come to my sports wallet, if I come to my spot wallet right there, you see more of these rewards. I've claimed so much. You can see these are so much of the rewards I've claimed already. All right, so I'm showing you guys how you can claim rewards, and I'm going to be giving you more of this every day, sending you this code. So stick to my channel. You want to stay on this channel to get more rewards like this. Thank you for watching, guys.